welcome back to my channel. My name is Piarmo. Today we will be learning how to make noodle salad. Alright, let's get started. First of all, you will need noodles, carrots, broccoli, cauliflowers, baby bok choy, Chinese cabbage, onion, garlic, pork, sweet soy sauce, salt, and chicken flavor soup base mix, or you can use MSG. Second, boil water and then put the noodles in. Third, fry garlic until it's dry and a little brown. Fourth, fry the vegetable. It's a mix of carrots, cauliflower, and broccoli. After that, fry with baby bok choy and Chinese cabbage, just enough for crunchy. Fifth, fries onion. Sixth, fries pork until it's dry. 7. Test the noodle to see if it's right. 8. When the noodle is fully boiled, cool it down with cold water. Then leave it for a few minutes to filter out water. Finally, you can mix everything together. First, mix garlic and sweet soy sauce for tasty and good looking reason. Second, mix with MSG or chicken flavor soup base and salt. Third, mix with onion, dry pork, and vegetable. Finally, mix everything thoroughly, and then you will have your delicious noodle prepared. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and feel like it's helpful and that you learned something new, please give me a thumbs up or a comment down below. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. There will be more video coming up, and please stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.